Clay McKinney, developer OnRamp. I usually make programming videos, but today we're going off topic. I got this pumpkin. It is a craft pumpkin, hollow, carvable. You can get them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, that kind of place, and they're kind of expensive, you know, $25, $30. After Halloween, they're cheaper, all right? But you know, then the fun's gone. But you can save it for next year, like I did. I bought this one last year. So you need a pumpkin. You're going to need a laser printer. We're going to do our design on a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and that's just exactly the right size. We won't go all the way to the edges, but we'll print out our design on that. And then you're going to need one of these. They don't all look exactly like this, but basically they typically these things, they take 3 AA batteries or something like that, and then this is a string of LED lights. So there's like, I don't know, 50 little tiny LED lights in here, but I just leave them all bunched up, and they glow pretty bright, and you can't see it inside the pumpkin, but that's what makes it, you know, glow from the inside. And it's got a timer on it, and that's the important part. The timer makes it stay on for 8 hours, and then it goes off for 16 hours, and then it comes back on for 8 hours. So it's only on when, you know, like we have ours on from like 5 until 1 in the morning. All right, so saves batteries that way. We usually put our pumpkins out the first day of October, maybe a little bit earlier than that, and then we only have to change the batteries once. I didn't have to change the batteries until the 20th, October 20th. So it, you know, it's pretty great. Lasts a long time. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pick a photograph of a person, a human, and I'm gonna carve it as close as I can to photorealistic. But that doesn't, you know, no, that don't think that. It's we're gonna it loses detail every step of the way. It'll lose detail in Photoshop, and then we're going to print it out. We're going to cut out the paper and trace the pattern onto the pumpkin. It loses some detail then. Then we're going to start carving it out of the pumpkin. It'll lose some detail then. And then we'll think, oh my gosh, what have we done? We've wasted $30 on this piece of styrofoam that looks like junk. But then we put the light in it and turn the lights out, and it's magic. It's always amazing to me how neat these things look when I turn them on. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to do the cigarette smoking man this year. It'll be great. Thanks.